We're rolling. Okay. So today I'm actually going to be unboxing. Finally came. I'm sorry for not uploading in a while. I finally got this YJU along, and I found out my channel. What I'm going to do for my channel. Cubing. Well, maybe. Really good wrapping. Blah 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 blah. You can pause the video. Oh, it smells good. Oh, really cute. Oh, the bubble. As you can tell, I'm watching extra video because I'm super excited. Who wouldn't be excited to get a YJU on? Sorry, can't resist. At least I know the packaging is good. Oh my gosh, I really want to keep this packaging, but it's insanely hard to open. Bananas, apples, cheese. Okay. Really good turning. I'm trying to just read this. Okay, lots of instructions. Okay. Really good. Well, Mom, I'm doing a YouTube video. And I think I scrambled it good enough. So, yeah. That's all for now. See you later. Bye.